Welcome to Serenity Speaks, conversations on wellness, where we explore the many facets of wellness, self-care, and living a balanced life. I'm your host, Cleo, and today we're diving deep into the healing power of nature with a focus on two fascinating practices: forest bathing and ecotherapy. In our modern, fast-paced world, many of us have become disconnected from the natural environment that once played a central role in our ancestors' lives. The demands of daily life often keep us indoors, tethered to our screens, and distanced from the natural rhythms of the earth. But what if I told you that reconnecting with nature could hold the key to reducing stress, enhancing mental clarity, and even improving physical health? So that's exactly what we'll be exploring today. So let's start by taking a moment to reflect on your own experiences with nature. Try to think about a time when you felt truly at peace. Perhaps while walking through a quiet forest, sitting by a flowing river, or simply listening to the sounds of the birds in the early morning. These moments, though fleeting, have a profound impact on our well-being. And that's what forest bathing and ecotherapy are all about. Immersing ourselves in the natural world to promote healing and restore balance. So what exactly are forest bathing and ecotherapy? How do they work? And how can you incorporate these practices into your life? So the term forest bathing might evoke images of soaking in a natural hot spring surrounded by trees, but it's actually something quite different. The concept originates from Japan, where it's known as Shinrin-yoku, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, which literally translates to taking in the forest atmosphere or forest bathing. Forest bathing isn't about exercise, hiking, or any strenuous activity. Instead, it's about slowing down, being mindful, and fully immersing yourself in the sights, sounds, and smells of the forest. It's a sensory experience that invites you to engage with nature in a way that many of us aren't used to in our very busy lives. The practice of forest bathing was introduced in Japan in the 1980s as a response to the increasing stress and burnout caused by urbanisation and fast-paced living. Japanese researchers found that spending time in nature, particularly in forests, had measurable health benefits, including reduced levels of the stress hormone cortisol, lower blood pressure, and improved mood. So today, forest bathing is a cornerstone of preventative healthcare in Japan, and its benefits are gaining recognition around the world. But what makes forest bathing so powerful? The secret lies in the synergy between our bodies and the natural environment. Trees and plants release essential oils known as phytoncides, which protect them from insects and diseases. When we breathe in these phytoncides, our bodies respond positively. They boost our immune system and reduce stress hormones. Additionally, the act of simply being in nature, away from the noise, pollution, and chaos of urban life, has a calming effect on our nervous system. It allows our minds to rest, our breathing to slow, and our bodies to enter a state of relaxation. This, in turn, helps us to feel more grounded, present, and connected to the world around us. Whilst forest bathing focuses on immersing oneself in a forested environment, ecotherapy encompasses a broader range of therapeutic practices that connect us with nature. Sometimes called nature therapy or green therapy, ecotherapy is based on the idea that our mental health is intimately connected with the health of the earth. Ecotherapy can take many forms, from gardening and horticultural therapy to animal assisted therapy and wilderness retreats. The common thread is the belief that spending time in nature, whether through structured activities or simple mindful presence, can promote healing and well-being. Research supports the effectiveness of ecotherapy in reducing symptoms of anxiety, depression, and PTSD. It can help improve mood, boost self-esteem, and even aid in addiction recovery. For example, gardening has been shown to reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety, whilst exposure to natural light can help regulate our circadian rhythms and improve sleep. One of the key benefits of ecotherapy is its ability to foster a sense of connection, both to the natural world and to something larger than ourselves. In nature, we are reminded that we are part of an interconnected web of life. This realisation can bring about a deep sense of peace and belonging, counteracting the isolation and disconnection that many of us feel in our modern lives. Ecotherapy also encourages us to engage with the present moment, whether we're planting seeds in the garden, walking barefoot on the grass, or sitting quietly by a stream. These activities invite us to slow down, breathe deeply, and fully experience the world around us. This mindfulness aspect of ecotherapy is key to its effectiveness, as it helps us to break free from the cycle of rumination and stress. So by now you might be wondering how you can start incorporating forest bathing and ecotherapy into your life. And the good news is that you don't need to live near a forest or have access to vast and natural spaces to benefit from these practices. So there are some simple, practical ways to get started. So first of all, try to set aside regular time for nature walks. And whether that's in a local park, a nature reserve, or even your own backyard. The key is to approach these walks with mindfulness, slow down, breathe deeply, and really and truly take in the environment with all of your senses. Notice the colours of the leaves, the texture of the bark, the sound of the wind through the trees, and the scent of the earth beneath your feet. And if you do have access to a garden or outdoor space, consider spending time gardening or simply sitting quietly. Gardening in particular is a powerful form of ecotherapy that allows you to connect with the earth, nurture life, and experience the cycle of growth and renewal. If you live in an urban area and don't have easy access to natural spaces, you can still bring elements of nature into your daily life. Surrounding yourself with plants, opening your windows to let the fresh air in, and create a small nature corner in your home with stones, shells, or other natural objects. Even these small touches can help create a sense of connection to the natural world. Another way to incorporate ecotherapy is through mindfulness. The practices such as meditation or yoga that are done outdoors whenever possible, because practicing these activities in a natural setting can enhance their calming effects and help you feel more grounded and centered. And remember, the goal isn't to escape to nature as a temporary refuge, but to cultivate an ongoing relationship with the natural world that supports your overall well-being. So I invite you to reflect on the role that nature plays in your life. How often do you take the time to connect with the natural world? And how might you benefit from incorporating more nature-based practices into your routine? The healing power of nature is something that we all have access to, regardless of where we live or how busy our lives are. Whether it's through a quiet walk in the woods, a moment of stillness in your garden, or simply breathing in the fresh air. These practices can bring us back to ourselves, helping us to feel more grounded, more peaceful, and more alive. So I felt that I haven't really added any meditations recently, so here's one for you. So remember, if this is your first time experiencing a meditation, a guided meditation, remember it's just a time for you to just relax, let go, and feel completely grounded. So you can start by finding a quiet, comfortable place where you can sit or lie down and allow yourself to fully immerse in this moment of calm. Close your eyes gently and take a nice deep breath in. And then exhale slowly, allowing the breath to take its time, leaving the body, letting go of any tension in your body. Nice deep breath in and exhaling nice and slowly. Releasing the tensions of your day. And as we begin, remember that there's nothing you need to do or achieve during this meditation. Simply allow yourself to be present and open to the experience, letting each moment unfold naturally. So let's take a few moments to settle in to your body. Begin by noticing the points of contact between your body and the surface beneath you. Feel the support of the earth holding you, allowing you to fully release any weight that you might be carrying. Let your body become heavy and sink into the ground, as if you are being gently cradled by the earth, as if the surface beneath you is a bed of memory foam, shaping itself to fit your body perfectly. Now, bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath as it flows in and out of your body. There is no need to change or control your breath. Simply observe it as it is. With each inhale, imagine drawing in calmness and peace. With each exhale, let go of any tension, stress, or worries you may be holding on to. Allow your breath to become a soothing anchor, gently guiding you deeper into a state of relaxation. Bring your awareness to the tips of your toes. Imagine a warm, soothing light gently bathing your toes, releasing any tensions you might be holding there. You may feel a tingling sensation, and that's okay. At times, when you draw your focus, your body might respond. Move your attention through your feet, up to your ankles, up further through your calves and your shins, allowing the warm light to flow. Releasing any tightness or discomfort. Feeling this wave of relaxation passing through every part of your body. Bringing your attention up through to your knees, following on to your thighs, up through your hips, connecting to your sit bones. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your breath. Taking your attention now to your lower back, and to your abdomen, easing the tensions and stresses of your day. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your breath, and allow your heart to open and soften with each inhale. With your focus at your chest, let go of any heaviness in and around your chest and your upper back. Now taking your focus up to your shoulders, your upper arms, elbows, moving smoothly to your forearms and your wrists. And as you focus, you are picturing each part of your body in your mind's eye. Moving that attention to the palms of your hands and the backs of your hands. Feeling that light move down through each and every finger. Allow your hands and fingers to relax, softening and letting go. Allow the light to continue up from your shoulders, through your neck, up to your face. Just allowing your face to become completely relaxed and at ease. Letting go of any tension around the eyes, around the eyebrows and forehead. Feeling this warm light flowing upwards. This soothing light is gently touching your scalp, releasing any tensions that you may be holding there. And take your focus to the very top of your head, your crown. And your whole entire body is now bathed in this warm, soothing light. And you are completely relaxed and at ease. Notice how it feels to be in this state of deep relaxation, fully supported by the earth beneath you. Now that your body is fully relaxed, let's deepen this sense of grounding and connection to the earth. Imagine roots growing from the base of your spine and the soles of your feet, extending down into the earth beneath you. And these roots travel deep into the ground, anchoring you to the earth's core. Feel the stability and strength of these roots as they connect you to the earth, providing a deep sense of security and grounding. As you breathe in, imagine drawing up the earth's energy through your roots, filling your body with this sense of calm, stability and strength. With each exhale, release any lingering tension, stress or negativity down through your roots, letting the earth absorb and transform the energy. Feel this exchange of energy with each breath, grounding you more and more deeply. With every inhale and every exhale, know that you are supported, connected and safe. Now that you are deeply grounded and relaxed, allow yourself to let go even further. Whatever thoughts, worries or stresses you may have been holding on to, release them completely. Imagine those worries and stresses as clouds in the sky, drifting away with the wind, leaving behind a clear, open space within you. In this space of clarity and calm, there is absolutely nothing you need to do. Nowhere you need to be. Simply be present here and now in this moment of peace. Allow yourself to rest in this stillness, free from the past, free from the future, completely at ease. Feel the lightness and freedom that comes with letting go, trusting that you are exactly where you need to be. Take a moment to notice how you're feeling. Notice the sense of calm, relaxation, and groundedness that you have cultivated. And know that you can return to this state whenever you need to, simply by taking a few deep breaths and reconnecting with the earth beneath you. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the room around you. Give your fingers and toes a wiggle. Gently stretch your body and take a few deep breaths to awaken your senses. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Bring this sense of calm and relaxation with you as you move through the rest of your day. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me in this meditation, and I hope you carry this peace and groundedness with you wherever you go. Remember, this sense of relaxation and grounding is always within you, waiting to be accessed whenever you need it. Take a moment to appreciate the time you've taken for yourself today, and carry this serenity with you as you move forwards. Thank you so much for being here. Tune in next Sunday for more Serenity Speaks, conversations on wellness. Till then, stay grounded.